So what's up guys, I'm GQTHONI. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of Action Model, how it works and how you can actually earn on Action Model. So let's navigate the dashboard together so you can quickly get started. The first thing that happens when you come to Action Model, it takes you to this website. I'll attach the link below with my referral ID. But if you don't have a referral ID, use GQTHONI with a key instead of a name. I'll also attach it down below. So the first thing you do is obviously join the movement and get paid to train AI, right? So once you join the movement, you will see an option to download extension. Make sure you do that. I will show you why, right? So you do need the extension. So I'll join the movement. So when you join the movement, you'll see your dashboard. Your dashboard will give you the total earnings per day. It will tell you how many points you have, how many affiliates you have, and also you'll have a link that you can also share with people and get points with. The more people that join using your link, the more points you earn. Like you can see, I'm in tier 4 because I've been on these for the last couple of months, almost a year now. So you can tell that yeah, a lot of people have been following through using my referral list. You can share this with your friends because ultimately everyone needs a referral code to join Action Model, right? So that's your dashboard. You can see your referrals under referrals. You can see your action file. So action file is currently in beta. By beta I mean you get paid in LAMP tokens, but when it goes live you get paid in USDT. So definitely look out for that. And I see a lot of people complaining, oh, these tasks are hard, they're complicated, but let's open something like GNAI. I see this is one of the easiest ones to do. So all you have to do is add a token to your watch list. So all you have to do, come and open this task, and then you can see the list of instructions. Click on the search bar and search an icon with data, yada yada yada. So if you want to complete this task, you have to do this within 10 minutes, right? And you can't switch tabs when you're doing that. So all you have to do is click start action file and then go to that. Okay, now we see that. So you can now click on this. Wait. There should be a website here. There should be a website where the GNAI. Yeah, so you go to the website, you follow these instructions and don't switch off the task until you're done, right? So that is how it works. And then you get the AI analyzes your tasks and tell you if you did it well or if you didn't do it well. All right, there are other easy tasks that you can complete, like let me tell you what other ones I have seen that are easy to do. There's Meta, I think. So you can see that there's a lot of pages here. They give you multipliers to your earnings, right? So definitely check this out and see which ones you can complete, because you need to get as many coins as possible. You can see Ethereum of gold. I mean, when you see the people, the companies under this action file, it kind of also builds up my confidence in the project, because tell me why Ethereum.org is here, tell me why Coinbase is here. We have Infura, ENS, Domain. I mean, I feel like a lot of great projects are already tasking on Action Model, and that gives me confidence in the project. GNAI, yeah, all this good stuff. So I personally don't train a lot of action file tasks, but it's because I already have a lot of referrals coming in, so I prefer to train in background. And I also have a lot of browser activity because I'm always on my laptop. If I'm working, I'm on my laptop. If I'm not working, I'm on my laptop. I'm always on my browser, so I get to train a lot in background. All right, so you can see my training history. It's all background. Then let's go to the actionist. Actionist is where you get to create workflows. So if you are someone who's trying to automate something, like for example, I was trying to automate my LinkedIn because I hate posting on LinkedIn. So you can definitely look at example workflows. These are YouTube videos of people who have built workflows before. You can definitely check them out, see what they automated. So you see, you even have examples over here. So you can, you see, there's a calendar, cloud VM, yada yada yada, and you can definitely create your own workflows under Actionist Builder, right? So that's the Actionist. I think that's where the workflows will be displayed. And then if you want to create your own workflow, like I was creating one here for LinkedIn, I'm not yet finished with that. Maybe we'll finish it together. You can see how you create your workflows. Let me show you. So this is the second step, like a node editor, creating the steps. You don't even need to be so tech savvy. You just have to know what your workflow does, the steps it takes, and actually fill them out, because that's the point I stopped. But ideally you should have this. You can have an AI write it out for you. Say I have a LinkedIn interaction reader and engaging responding. So I wanted someone an AI that can lead, that can read my LinkedIn posts and engage with the people on there, honestly. So yeah, you can totally do that, and then finish this part, and then boom, publish your editor, your workflow. You can use it, and also other people can get to use it, right? So you get your workflows published at Actionist from the Actionist builder, right? Then we have websites. These are the websites I've been working on most of the time, so you can see what I'm training. I told you I'm always on a browser, so my activity is tracked across these websites. And by activity I mean click, switch tabs, remove, inactivity, all those activities, not what I'm doing exactly, in case you're worried about that. And then you can see the platforms that are on there, the workflows. You see, like you can build Slack workflows, Data HR, Google.com. I mean, you see a lot of workflows have been created already. There's a marketplace for your workflows. You see, someone already created what I wanted, so maybe I can come and use this, right? Okay, maybe I need to complete that. Okay, run workflow. You don't have access to Actionist, your position, run the queue, speed up your position queue by reaching 1,000,000 points. You see, so there's also a criteria around that, publishing on Actionist. So yeah, that is a quick rundown of action model. The reason why I said you need an extension is because you need to, when you come to I don't know if you can see my extensions, but when you come to extensions here, you will see action model. That's how you start training in background, right? So there's an option to let me finish this training session so I can start. I have finished training. So there's this button. This button is only on the extension. There's training background, find an action file bounty. The action file I already showed you from GMGNAI, for example. But for me, I always train in background, and then if I want to do action file task, which I've never been able to get around, I just open action file. So you can see I've started training in background, and anything now I do on my browser will be training activity and will be counted as part of my earnings. I hope this gave you a rundown. Maybe the next time we're on here, we'll actually get to go through one of the tasks together, and then you can see me do it in real time. I'm having trouble doing this because I've not done it before, but hopefully you guys can figure it out and actually finish it. GMGNAI. Yeah, I think I have to go to this website, GMGNAI. You know what I'm saying? This is just a notification from action model. Okay, finish training. I got it, babe. So when I come to this website, I have to start my action file, and then that's how it works actually. And then I add something to the waitlist, and don't close the tab until you're done. Then go to the AI and say you have finished, and then boom, you have your multiplier done. I should be doing this more often actually. So yeah, I think that should give you a quick rundown of how action model works. And every time you train, every time you do an action file task, your rewards will automatically be rewarded. Then let me quickly talk about Discord. If you want to join any of these communities, they are down here below. Like you have Discord, you have X, Facebook, Telegram. And there's a good thing, for example, about Discord. Once you join the Discord channel, you get to 1 point by being an active participant. Can you imagine that? So anyone who's building the community in any capacity gets one. And the Discord is very active. The first time I got on Discord, I was confused because people were talking, people were participating. So yeah, definitely check out Discord and maximize your earning points before we launch. All right, yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll attach the links below, and see you in the next one.